After hovering the house, Ramu Kaka is going to prepare some soup. I used to always think that cooking is an easy job, but no, not an easy job. You have to go through YouTube if there's no one to tell you about the recipes. Also learn how to hold the knife. First you cut your fingers and then you start learning how to cut everything else. Just cutting is not enough. There are different styles of cutting. And then comes the time when you need to add oil and other spices. Like last time I remember, I overburnt the onions because the flame was high. The taste of the soup got messed up. This time I'm making sure that I'm not overcooking or burning anything, and I'm taking it very slow and monitoring every process. By the time my soup got ready, one of our friends surprised us with matar paneer. I was happy that even if my soup did not taste good, we still got matar paneer to survive on. मुगेले सूप है ना सोना तू ये पनीरा पहिला आत गयला कुक का बेइज्जती कर दिया करपा आता डायट करपा फकाडनो पनीराचो ना पनीर आत गायलो पुणा रायस है ना पिटा ब्रेड. After eating paneer, Bushu wanted to eat a little bit of soup. I gave her the soup and asked her to rate my soup. How many stars?
Out of 5?
Yeah.
3
3 stars.